Hi everybody, Listen Bunny 99, aka Elizabeth Dawson here. Welcome back for more videos of Video Game Lesson. So how you guys today been going? Doing good. Before we get started with the lesson, there are two things I'd like to show you on today's order in order for you guys to sign. But remember, it said take the next step. But on this, did anyone have the most favorite light from Magic Kingdom, known as Disney World, and of course Disneyland? But a lot of you guys are already huge fans of Mountain Ride, but it's also my favorite too. But you heard Disney are planning to redeem me, said that this awesome ride with we did this one what it said. Look, it don't have everything. So please sign for today, and don't forget to take the next step. There are two choices, like there and of course use there instead. And then the young lady she asking bring back the character from the movie. The movie good. She explains to herself like what she said. She very awesome that thanks to her she explained to everything what happened back in the video ever since. But she asking to bring them back. The character. I love the character from the movie. The bear is a rabbit, bear fox, and bear brers from the movie. I like the grass in white. So same thing with this. I take the next step. There are two choices once again, right here. Please support D2 for today on Chainsaw. They're going to be so much happy that you're going to do if you guys are biggest fan of that. Please reach it out to other people. So, hey, go on Chainsaw, sign up in order to win the fight. And we will be succeed very well. Anyways. Head back to the video game lesson. All these videos in the lesson are spoiler ahead. Please finish playing all your favorite video games and everything else first before watching this video. And also, there are a lot of upcoming games like coming out next month, next year, 2024, something like that. And also, we had upcoming DLC of each of the games as well on a different game console, like PS5 and something like that. But I said it simply a C. Anyways, keep the eye on the name of the game and the date by any different kind of game console when it came out. If I go too fast, look it up to see for yourself on the name of the game console. This is where we left on. I tell you, take care of your teeth. And also, one more thing, spread out the act of kindness in a good way. And also, in my kind of way, that I show you on the screen on Change Org. Please support D2 people. as I said, we still had a lot of time before the year 2024. What? What? Spider-Man? Spider-Man. Sorry. Guys, it's okay that we had a sense of humor when we be very silly. As for example, you know my older brother is out that play 93, known as like Dark Play 93, known as FL Play 95. His friend, both my brother and his friend, that they are very silly when they're good for love will play the game. But however, as myself, back on my adult school day, I be very funny. So I said it to my old classmate. I said to them, "Hold your horses." It needs wait a minute. Like I said the words of like oh. Never forget. And my friend Austin Dragon. Sorry, with my roommate. Yeah, Halloween coming up too. But it's okay, we be silly these days. My advice is try to find your way to make someone laugh so hard. Or especially watch America's Funniest Home Video. That's one of my favorite TV shows. Anyway, we'll stop right here. See you in the next video. Bye.